Hi, I'm Paulo, and in this video, I'll show you how easy it is to add an email on MailingBoss. Before we proceed, intro. Welcome back. This is the builderall back office. Builderall is an all-in-one digital marketing platform that anybody can use even without learning any technical or programming skills. As long as you can copy, paste, edit, and save, you will be able to use the platform. With builderall, you can make websites, sales funnels, you can also do email marketing, e-commerce, SEO reporting, Facebook chatbots, which is really good for lead generation. You can also make online courses and many more. If you want to check this, I'll just put the link on the description of this video. Let's jump into MailingBoss, which is this one. So click on the MailingBoss autoresponder, click on enter, and we'll go inside MailingBoss. Just to show you the other tools, it also has an Instagram autoresponder, a CRM. You can also do webinars, and yes, even WordPress websites and all the websites on builderall or made within builderall will rank on Google. Now this is the MailingBoss dashboard. So I'll show you how to add an email in MailingBoss. First, let's create a list that the specific email will be added to. So we click on lists, click on the first one. You can also create it from there, but I'll show you the easier way of doing it, which is here, create new list. For this list, I want to name it, let's say demo 20, demo 20, and demo 20. Click on next. So the list has been made. So let's double check. Let's go to lists and lists. Here's demo 20. So what I want to do is click on the subscriber icon, which is the third one. From here, to add a new email, just create new within the list that you chose for the email to be added to. So let's click on create new. From there, you can add the email manually. Like just an example, Paulo Santana at gmail.com. And for the status, you want it confirmed. Confirmed so that the email sequence for this specific list will automatically be sent to the email address you added. So just click on Save Changes. Your form has been successfully saved. So let's check the list, subscribers, and the email address we added is here. From here, If there's an email sequence for this list, the emails or the first email will automatically be sent to this subscriber or email address. So that's how you add an email on MailingBoss. If you like this video or if you learned anything from this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you think this would help other people, please do share it. If you want to learn more, just subscribe and click the bell beside the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions, just comment below or message me on my Facebook page and I'll either answer it or even make a video out of it so we can share the knowledge to everybody. So just like that, the video is over and I'll see you on the next one. Let's go.